Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions for a lock screen in Xiaomi 13 Lite. To do this, let's open our settings. Right here, scroll all the way down to find additional settings. Then select gesture shortcuts, and now let's check which of the options work on lock screen. So first one is launch Google Assistant by holding a power key for half a second. Now let's try it on lock screen. But it seems it doesn't work. Let's try it on unlocked phone. So I'm pretty sure it should work fine, but for some reason it doesn't. Okay. Now let's move on to take a screenshot. Slide 3 fingers down and use volume down plus power key to make a screenshot. Let's see it on lock screen. This one works fine. And this one also works fine. Next is a partial screenshot. Press and hold 3 fingers onto the screen to make a partial screenshot. Here it works fine. And let's see the lock screen. We'll need to wake up our phone for that, and let's try it. Yep, it works on your lock screen as well. Next is a launch camera. Right here we have 2 different options. Double press the power button and double press volume down when the screen is locked to turn on camera. Let's try to double press the power button. It works fine. And now volume down button also works fine. The last option is turn on torch flashlight, so we'll need to replace the camera button for that. And now let's try double pressing the power key. For some reason this setting doesn't work, but it should. Okay, it was disabled. Now let's try. Now it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.